A seaport city in northern Morocco, Tangier has acted as Europe's African gateway for many centuries. This beautiful city is a rich blend of many cultures, making it unique in every way. Its governance has traded hands many times throughout its history, very little of it being under the control of Morocco itself. With each shift of power came a different era for the city, and it earned many reputations over the years, ranging from a paradisal port to a seedy refuge for outlaws. No matter its reputation before, however, it has emerged into the 21st century with much more contemporary and upstanding respectability. Now just as famous as its infamous past, the city has undergone many changes in recent years to appeal to tourists and businessmen alike. One of the most frequently asked questions about visiting Morocco is whether it is family-friendly, and the answer to this is yes, as Tangier has something to awe and inspire all ages. It is always a busy and fascinating place to go, as it still functions as a port and trade center between Morocco and the rest of the world. Many artists and writers have lived and visited it since the 1950s, and it has been the inspiration and setting for many works and projects in pop culture. For those who want to visit or are interested in unraveling its secrets, here are 3 interesting historical facts about Tangier, Morocco. Home of tangerines. Tangerines and Tangier. Just by comparing the 2 words you can deduce that one certainly correlates with the other. Tangier is agriculturally known for tangerines, as the fruit originated in the city. That is why this sweet goodness has been named after the White City. From the family of mandarins, tangerines grow and serve as a delight to Tangier dwellers, who can consider themselves lucky since the homegrown fruit does not get exported elsewhere. According to the Oxford English Dictionary, people who lived in Tangier were also once called tangerines. The final resting place of Hercules. The legend states that Tangier is the final resting spot of Hercules in a location known as Hercules Cave. It is located just outside the city, and is a very popular tourist attraction. The cave has 2 openings, one towards the land through which tourists and visitors enter, and another facing the sea, known as the Map of Africa, since its shape resembles the African map. This particular shape was not carved by the force of nature. Instead, it is believed that the Phoenicians created the sea opening to look like the African map. As for the name of the cave, it is said that the Roman god Hercules stayed and slept in the cave before performing his 11th labor, one of the 12 labors that were assigned to him by King Eurystheus. It consisted of getting golden apples from the Hesperides garden located near Lixus, commonly known as the Moroccan city Lyric. Whether you are a mythology fan or not, you will certainly enjoy visiting this famed and picturesque site. Home of the golden beverage, Moroccan mint tea. Morocco is known for its delicious fresh tea. However, Tangier is the original city known for the special Moroccan mint tea, whose main ingredient is, of course, mint. You can enjoy mint tea anywhere you go in Tangier, especially in Petit Saco, which translates from Spanish into the small market. People from all around the world gather in this historical place, which was once known as a place for drugs, to savor their freshly made mint tea accompanied by some freshly baked cookies specific to Tangier. A pure delight.